Okay, this question is to compare those two irrational numbers. So pi over 6 and square root of 2 minus radical 3. So let's think of the pi over 6. So the corresponding degree of pi over 6 is 30 degrees, right? So we can think maybe like this. So this is a 30 degree and its corresponding arc length. Corresponding arc length. So which is this part? So this, okay, I need to make a better picture. This picture is not good. Because I need to draw a triangle with it too. So let's see, maybe I draw like this. Okay. Then, so this is a 30 degree. And it's a corresponding arc length. Yeah. Right. So this is pi over 3 radian. Okay. So how do we relate with this? We see square root of 2 minus radical 3. Maybe we can think, let's think about this triangle. Let's make a triangle, right triangle, right? So we drop a vertical line. Maybe let's give this vertex some names. Let's see, that's A, this is C. Let's call this point maybe D, right? So in this triangle, we know sine 30, which is opposite over hypotenuse equals a half, right? Equals a half. So we can think this is like a unit circle. The radius is 1. So this will be 1. And BC would be also, let's write on the side. So AB and BC equals to 1, right? Because this is, think about this on the unit circle. So this is arc length from the curvy part. It's arc length. Well, so the curvy part, pi over 3, let's call it AC with this, means arc length. So AB and BC are the radius of the unit, part of the unit circle, which equals to 1, right? So this is 30 degrees, so the opposite is half. So it means AD, let's write on the side. AD equals to half. Then, of course, this part, BD is the base of the triangle ABD, which is radical 3 over 2, because it's cosine 30. Cosine 30 is radical 3 over 2. Or let's write on that side. So BD equals to radical 3 over 2. Bingo, you see radical 3 pops up now. And then we see, obviously, from here, we see A. Let's draw another one. Let me see. Let me change my color. I can draw from A to C straight. Okay, so this is straight from A to C. And the AC, arc length of AC is greater than the straight line of AC, right? So arc length of AC is greater than AC because, let me put here, because the arc length of AC is this curvy part. And the straight is this. So this, let's see, this is A, this is C. And of course, the straight AC is less than the arc length of AC. Right? Now, how do we relate it? So the arc length of AC is just pi over 6. Oh, I read it wrong. That's not pi over 3, pi over 6. 30 degree corresponding to pi over 6 degree. So arc length is pi over 6. So now, how do we form this? Square root of 2 minus radical 3. Well, let's look at this. So this is also a right triangle, right? So the length of AC, straight one, length of AC equals to square root of, well, this is a half half square, which is AD squared plus DC squared. How do we get DC squared? The DC is, let's write here, DC equals to BC minus BD. Right, BC is 1. And BD is radical 3 over 2 squared. So it's the square root of this. Well, let's just calculate this. So that equals to, oh, that's very radical, right? That's quarter, half square is a quarter, plus perfect square, 1 square is 1, minus 2 times 1 times radical 3 over 2, which is negative radical 3. Then square this. So radical 3 square is 3. Radical 3 square is 3. 2 square is 4. So we get this. Now let's simplify. 5 quarter plus 3 quarters, which is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 minus radical 3. Okay, so the straight line of AC is radical 2 minus radical 3. And the arc length of AC is pi over 6. So that one is greater than this. Okay, that's how we compare those numbers.